Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am going to show you how to make a magic ring for beginning our circular projects or square projects in the round. So for that, on your left palm you put your tail hand here and bring the working yarn, cross it over the tail end and hold. Then insert a hook under this first loop here, pull out the working yarn and make a loop. Hold it tight here and make a loop. So now this magic ring will move. See, I'll place my stitch marker here and show you. So this will move, it will become big or small. So once we place all our stitches inside this circular ring, we can make it tight and make it as convenient as possible, or how you want it for your project. Okay, this is one way of making the magic ring. The other way is simply you can place it on a table like this. This working yarn you cross over what we did on our fingers only, and then bring this yarn underneath this and hold this, and even now we have made the magic ring. See, this will move. This will be easy for some of you. Some of you understand by wrapping on the fingers. You can do that way. Whichever way you want, you can make the magic ring in that manner. Okay, the concept is that when you make a circular ring, the end should move. It should be flexible. It should be movable so that it becomes little bigger or smaller as per the needs of the number of stitches you're going to place in it. Okay, thank you friends for watching this small video. Have a great day. Shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video. Bye for now.